And we're headed now to the Eaton fire. We're looking to the east, and boy, look at that smoke come down the ridgeline above Pasadena.
An estimated 19,000 people under mandatory evacuation orders.
We're at a convalescent home right now, and they're trying to get all of these elderly people out here on the bus.
7:30, I was still working. I got a phone call from my son, which is odd, and he called and said that our house was being evacuated.
We were home eating dinner, and we looked out the window and we saw the hillside of Eaton Canyon starting to light up.
I went straight up there, and all I could see in the mountain is fire, smoke.
Within the first 3 days, about 50% of our staff were affected by the evacuation orders.
Losing our house was hard. Losing our community was even harder.
There's not much happiness in the fact that the whole neighborhoods I grew up in, that I lived in for the past 8 years, had burned down. I've never been in a position where I was receiving charity or help or needing support. Like, I've always been the tough surgeon, and this was an example where I really couldn't go to work.
We were very quick to send supplies to the Pasadena Convention Center. We essentially opened a skilled nursing facility in our auditorium.
We serve very vulnerable members of the community, and so many of them would need assistance to evacuate. We all come together as a team, all the way up to our nurses and our social workers that needed to directly assist their clients. I'm just incredibly proud of the work that they did to help people and respond.
Even though it was a chaotic time, at work we were calm. And we knew what we had to do. I knew that what I was doing was valuable.
We actually decided to take over one of our older conference rooms and turn it into a pantry. We've had 900 visits of staff, about 10,000 items donated, and recently even received a grant to continue to keep the pantry going.
One of the most beautiful things about this fire was the fact that the Huntington community completely came together.
Coming back to work helped me breathe, because everybody just showed me so much love and compassion.
I've never been surrounded by a stronger group of people in my life, just how we're helping each other, looking out for each other.
We will rebuild. Our goal is to pass down this house to our kids. I'm gonna fight for it.
I feel prouder to be part of Huntington. I feel more grateful. It's not just the structures, it's the people that I work with.
I think what's special about Huntington that people still came to work is that, I always say Huntington is by and of this community.
It's really shown the heart of our community and brought us all together. I feel really proud to be a part of this.
Coming here today and seeing my lot cleared, it just reminds me that hope is on the horizon, and it's a chance to start over.
What is always amazing to me is the commitment that our team members have to coming to work, caring for patients, bringing their best selves to work every day so that they can continue to provide the care that we always have at Huntington.